Light and the Kids, a joyful fusion of dance, light, and children's imaginations. Nestled in the heart of the city, amidst a lush park adorned with twinkling lights and vibrant foliage, lies Peacock dance, night, and enchanting event where children and families come together to celebrate the magic of dance and light inspired by the dazzling displays of peacocks. As dusk descends, casting a warm glow over the park, children arrive with excitement bubbling in their hearts. They are greeted by the sight of intricately designed stages illuminated with shimmering lights resembling the iridescent plumage of peacocks in full displays. The event begins with the mesmerizing performance by professional dancers who gracefully interrupt the movements and elegance of peacocks through a fusion of contemporary dance and traditional choreography. Children watch in awe as the dancers twirl and leap across the stage, their movements mirroring the fluidity and grace of majestic birds following the performance. It is time for the children to take center stage, guided by experienced instructors. They embark on a journey of creative expression through dance with colorful scarves and ribbons in hand. They mimic the movements of peacocks, fluttering and saving with joyous abandon. As the children dance, their laughter fills the air, blending harmoniously with the melodic tunes playing in the background. Some imitate the strut of a peacock puffing out their chests with pride, while others twirl and spin like feathers caught in a gentle breeze. Meanwhile, interactive light installations dot the park, casting a magical glow over the surroundings. Children marvel at the kaleidoscope of colors dancing across their faces, their imaginations ignited by the enchanting ambience. Throughout the evening, families are invited to explore various activity stations scattered throughout the park, from face painting inspired by peacock feathers to dye crafts where children can create their own paper lanterns adorned with intricate designs. There is no shortage of opportunities for creativity and fun. As the night draws to a close, children gather around a central stage for a grand finale, a collaborative dance performance where they join hands and move in unison, their spirits soaring as they celebrate friendship, creativity, and the beauty of nature. Peacock Dance Diet and the Kids is more than just an event, it is a magical experience that ignites the imagination, fosters a love for dance and creativity, and creates Christ memories that will last a lifetime. It is a celebration of joy, unity, and the boundless possibilities that unfold When we come together in harmony with the world around us, that's all.